Hello, today we are going to talk about Finax Supply Chain Business Loan. Let's talk about eligibility criteria. Any salaried person and self-employed are eligible for Finax Supply Chain Business Loan. Having minimum turnover more than 50 lakh. Co-applicant age should be between 23 year to 65 year. His or her CIBIL score should be more than 700. Now let's talk about loan criteria. If person is eligible, she may get loan amount up to 1 lakh to 50 lakh. Tenure will be 1 month to 3 months. Rate of interest will be 18% to 20% at reducing rate. Turnaround time is 3 days. Foreclosure charges will be 4%. Processing fees will be 2% of the loan amount. Part payment is allowed. Business registration proof is mandatory, minimum 18-month-old GST registration required. Co-applicant is mandatory when applicant is other than individual or proprietorship firm. Business vintage should be 2 years. Processing will be online. Ownership proof is not required. A unique selling point or USP is one of the important things in a company or business. USP of Finax Supply Chain Business Loan Funding to School. Location will be 50 km from branch. Let's talk about some negative points. Negative profiles are new buyer and seller will not be entertained, all buyer or supplier having rating less than BBB+. No specific product for professionals. Required documents. KYC of applicant and co-applicant. Last 3-year ITR with computation of income of applicant and co-applicant. Last 3-year tax audited balance sheet of applicant. Last 12-month bank statement of applicant and co-applicant. 26 as of last year of applicant and co-applicant. Copy of GST registration. Copy of MSME registration. Copy of last 12-month GST return. Sanction letter of all running loan. Debt sheet. Latest utility bill of residence if owned or rent agreement if rented. Latest utility bill of office if owned or rent agreement if rented. To reference with contact details. Last 3-year debtors and creditors on letterhead. List of directors and shareholders if applicant if company or list of partners if applicant is partnership LLP.